guys come down here a little bit more in depth. He does have what looks to be like old burn marks, and I know he's crying, but let me tell you, they're healed. He's going to be as is. It's a great conversation starter, but what's great about this guy is Ketchup, his personality. He's such a happy senior.
He doesn't even know that
Yes, you are.
And these are the most appreciative dogs, right?
Absolutely.
So come on down to the Cuyahoga County Animal Shelter, 9500 Sweet Valley Drive, right off of Canal Road. Look for Sweet Valley. And there's a big adoption event happening this weekend, right, Carol?
Absolutely. We have been invited this Saturday, June 23rd, from 4 to 7 to the Chick-fil-A in Rocky River. Now our blog is up on the website, which gives you the address and everything like that, but from 4 to 7 p.m. we are bringing a whole bunch of dogs out, maybe to get some free snacks, and we are looking for adopters. It'll be cooler in the afternoon. We'll have everything set up, and you never know who might be coming. This little guy, Ketchup. What, you want to go? You want to go? Yeah, so come on down. It'll be great. It'll be
Ketchup, huh? Oh boy, we need that.
Maybe it's intuition, but some things you just don't question. Like in your eyes, I see my future in an instant, and there it goes. I think I found my best friend. I know that it might sound more than
everybody. I have never seen a little tail go as quick as this guy named Buster. He is one of our more interesting mixes that has graced our presence at the kennel. And after seeing hundreds and thousands of dogs, this is probably one of the happier ones. His name is Buster. He is currently in 34. He is a boxer Shar-Pei. So pick this out. Boxer body, Shar-Pei head, and this guy is one of the happiest robust dogs. Now he is working on his commands. He does have a tendency to jump, as you can see. But he does it with joy. He gives kisses, and he is shedding. But we put him with Kids Buddy enough because he's not that bad of a dog. He does have to be neutered, and he is looking for a home. So if you guys are interested in a little motorboat of a tail, say hi. You might want to try looking at Buster at 34. Right? Molly came in on April 5th, and you are currently looking at another victim who fell into the heartworm positive ring. So she has been here, she has been evaluated, but I would like to say that she actually went up and received her first set of treatment for heartworm. So one of the things that I can tell you about Molly is that we could be in a kennel for this long. She's really a good dog. The volunteers love her because she's so affectionate. She walks really well. She does several information stands with treats or without treats, which is always a benefit. And she has had interaction with children. She does very, very well. So Molly is looking for a family home, one that is able to give us a home. love to make this girl's summer by adopting her and giving her a home. What? Hey, did I mention she's not even a year old yet? So you're getting a big puppy. Yes, you are. Molly and Kenny, Kennel 52. Ask about her soon. Hey, hi, you pretty girl.
Maybe it's intuition, but some things you just don't question. Like in your eyes, I see my